Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is GOBIZ, and thank you so much again for tuning in, because today I would like to talk about something that may be a little controversial again. So during the last few months, where I have published certain videos about information from Navy Federal, I find that we also have community members who have had bad experiences with Navy Federal, or they have expressed their dislike for Navy Federal and the reason why they don't like Navy Federal. And of course, a lot of us are just in love with Navy Federal. I'm one of those. Now, but it seems like not everyone is having a good time with Navy Federal, and I don't blame them. People always have different situations, and they encounter different instances with Navy Federal where they're not happy at all. So if you out there have an experience with Navy Federal, good or bad, if you can share that here on this channel so we can discuss that in later videos, because I think everybody needs to be heard. It would be good to listen to them and hear what they have to say, because we might encounter the same situations later on with Navy Federal. So at least we will be forewarned and would know what to expect if indeed it is our turn to encounter such circumstances. So the first member that we will mention today with his issue with Navy Federal is Robert Earl. And here is what he has to say about his experience with Navy Federal.
Now here he shares that he did not get approved for the Navy Federal GOBIZ credit card. And he doesn't understand that because he has been with Navy Federal for 2 years, have a business and personal checking account, savings, and also $14K a month direct deposit, a personal checking and savings account. Credit files looks good, and also has the more rewards and the cash rewards credit card, and is grossing over 100K in 2021. So he's not a happy camper. So Robert, hopefully this gets resolved and things work out for you. You obviously have a great profile, and you will have no problem going and getting credit wherever you want.
The next person who has a significant experience with Navy Federal is Kat T. So we also want to listen to what she has to say.
So what she's saying is that she got denied for a credit limit increase on the flagship credit card. No late payments on either card or mortgage. She even has a mortgage with Navy Federal. So credit scores are great, 735 to 740. Utilization is 13% of all cards. There is no reason whatsoever. So she's quite frustrated about it and is actually considering going for an Andrews credit union membership. So I don't really blame her for it. I mean, it's an option that she has, and hopefully this works out for her.
Now, another member is really very ticked off with Navy Federal is Space Ranger. And the reason being, he received a pre-approval email from Navy Federal saying that he was pre-approved for the Go Rewards credit card. But when he went on ahead and did the application, it was a hard pull from TransUnion. And guess what? He was denied credit.
To Space Ranger, I can pretty much understand your frustration, and sorry that that happened to you, but it does happen with Navy Federal. But I'm sure that it will work out for you with credit, maybe somewhere else or in the future.
Now, another member had quite an unpleasant experience with Navy Federal is Stodgar Jax, where he said, "Riddle me this. I own 5 rental properties, all paid in full. He makes over 110 grand a year, 2 bills, a car at 242, and a mortgage that is 1,450. Credit score 806, TransUnion 810, with Equifax, house is worth 373 and owes 252. So he's having a hard time getting a $50,000 home equity line of credit. So it's a little bit hard to understand why Navy Federal has not gotten back to him. And hopefully at this time, Mr. Stoldgar Jax, that you already received an update from Navy Federal. Anyway, thank you for sharing that information.
Our next member who shared his experience is C. Crenshaw, and he is saying here that he's had the Navy Fed secured card for over a year, and on-time payments, balance has been paid off, utilization is under 10%. He has a checking account with them, and direct deposit is there, savings account and pledge loan, but so far never graduated his secured credit card. So when he called and asked them why it has not unsecured, he was told that there's nothing they can do about it. It's because of the machines. It's all dependent on the computers and maybe how they do their underwriting for the secured credit cards, so people can graduate from that. But anyway, to see Crenshaw, since you've had your unsecured credit card for over a year already, here's what you might want to do, okay? You might want to go ahead and do a pre-qualification for the Navy Federal credit cards. So if you've been with them for a year already, do the pre-qualification, and if you qualified for any of the Navy Federal Credit Union unsecured credit cards, definitely go for it, because we have had members who have the same situation wherein their secured credit cards have not graduated for over a year, and they went on ahead and applied for an unsecured credit card, and guess what? They got approved. So you might want to try your luck with that, okay? And then let me know what happens.
Now here is Brian Z, who really has a bad experience with Navy Federal as well, and we will share his story here. So he is saying that he's grown tired of Navy Federal. There's no reasoning behind their actions with him. He spoke to a manager at one of the branches and basically put them on notice that if things don't change by mid-May, he is leaving Navy Federal. And Brian, I hope that your issue was resolved with Navy Federal, or whatever is going on and what happened. If you can give us an update, that would be great. But good luck, okay? I hope things still work out for you with Navy Federal. So I will keep that short, and I know that many of you may still have issues with Navy Federal that you have experienced. So if you can share that with me down below in the comment section, I will address that in future videos. Thank you for supporting this channel. I appreciate it very much.